Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy A52. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Samsung Smart Switch. Now open it, click Continue, tap on Allow, and choose Send data on this Samsung device and Receive data on A52. Choose Wireless, tap on Android, and tap Wireless again. Accept connection request by clicking Allow on this Samsung device and wait. Now swipe up to see more, and if you want to transfer all of your files, scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer. But it will take some time, so I will just click on this icon over here and tap on Images. Then select one of the available ones, for example that one, tap on Done and tap Transfer. Then click on Close on Samsung and go to Home screen on A52. If you want to check out if your files were successfully transferred, you can always go into Samsung folder, click on My Files and select in my case Images. As you can see, my photo is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!